Happy New Year's Eve. It's fairly early on New Year's Eve, and I just remembered that I forgot to film the final day of Giftmas. And that would be a problem because today's the final day of Giftmas. So I am going to collect all the items that I picked up for the grand prize, the last day of the giveaway. I want to take a moment to thank everybody for joining us for this Giftmas, Vlogmas season. I had a blast. I'm tired. I'm going to take a little bit of time off and think about what's coming up for 2024. I'm looking forward to chatting with all of you, everyone who has commented over the last few weeks. It's been really fun interacting with all of you. So I really enjoyed having you be part of our lives. Thank you for, just being with us. The dogs enjoy having you around as well. Pickles is right here. Say hi, Mama. Look. You look? She's just staring at me. And we'll see you in 2024. I'd like to welcome back Vanna. They'll be assisting me in this process again. So thank you, Vanna. Appreciate it.
Anytime, Pat.
Thanks. So for the final day of Giftmas, I tried to set it up the best I can, but our lighting might be a little bit crappy. But the first part of the grand prize here is this Gucci cube. No, I'm just kidding. Gucci-esque vibe. So if you watched my gift guide, you saw me talk about this Sonoma mug that had these Gucci vibe kind of, and I will do the Vanna in this one. These are the little gold bees and the gold trim. It just looked really classy to me. So that will come packaged in this box right here. Also, again, kind of has those Gucci vibes. And then Vanna, would you look at that box there? Open that up for me. Thank you, sir. Let's open it up. That's some Gucci fragrances sampler. You can see.
Oh, it's upside down.
Yes. Those are the scents that you'll be getting in there. So a discovery set from the Gucci fragrance house. So that will come packaged up for you in there. So that is the first part. And along with the Sonoma, you will get this assortment of, can you lean that back so it gets a little bit better light, of the classic hot chocolate, peppermint hot chocolate, and double dark hot chocolate. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry. Thank you, Vanna. Moving up to this area here, we'll have some Dior items. You'll get the samples of the Privé fragrances, Zinc Dior, Oud Rosewood, Eden Rock, a deluxe sample of Amber Nuit, and a regular sample of the new L'Or J'adore. A mirror that I got a big, huge mystery box from Impressions Vanity, and this is just one of the items that came in that mystery box. I just will have no use for it, and I just figured I would pass it along to somebody, and this would be the perfect situation. So it's a nice little white compact, has the magnification in it, and it's very slim, fits into our purses quite nicely. Moving over here to the Clarins assortment of trial size products. It will come with this little cosmetic case back there. Pretty large cosmetic case, actually too large for the items, but you'll get the beauty balm, the lip product, the SOS balm, beauty flash, total eye lift, and I believe that's also an eye cream as well. I will insert what that is. The moisturized body lotion and the foaming cleanser there. And last but not least, the grand prize. I'll have Vanna help me get this down here. We're going to have this Longchamp product. Do you want to pop the snap there? I have it folded up. So this never used, still tags attached, Longchamp bag in kind of a blue jean tone, I believe it's the medium size Le Pliage with orange trim on the handles, an orange button, blue suede there, orange embroidery right here. That is going to come to you nicely packaged. So that is the grand prize. A Le Pliage tote, the Gucci-esque items, some Clarins samples, some Dior samples, and some goody hot chocolate from Williams-Sonoma. So today's code word is pickles. So pickles is bringing you today's grand prize, right, Pickles?
That's very nice of you.
So you'll go to Rafflecopter and enter pickles. Pickles into the question. It's a multiple choice, 4 different options. Look for pickles. Select that, enter in all the other information I ask of you. The drawing will be open until 6 p.m. on January 7th. I will then draw the winner of this prize. You can enter once per giveaway. All the giveaways every day will be open until that time. So you can enter every day. If you win more than one day, I will package everything in one box. You'll get everything all at once. Otherwise, good luck to you. Thank you again for being a part of Giftmas. And I hope, I'll give you one more look at the Dior stuff. I hope that you win these prizes. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below with the question. But at the very least, comment, go to Rafflecopter, enter in your information, and that will get you into the prize. So good luck. Thank you for being a part of Giftmas. See you in 2024.